In a surprising twist that has stirred up conversations among fans, Cheryl recently made headlines with an unexpected revelation involving Liam Payne. The news broke when a fan shared a shocking story about an encounter with Cheryl, claiming it led to an intimate moment that left everyone buzzing. The incident, described in various social media posts, has sparked a mix of excitement and disbelief among the fanbase. Many are expressing their thoughts, with reactions ranging from shock to laughter as the details unfold. Some fans are even creating memes and videos, showcasing their playful takes on the situation. Cheryl, known for her vibrant personality and connection with her fans, has always been a figure of intrigue. This latest revelation adds a layer of complexity to her relationship with the One Direction star and their shared history. Fans are now speculating about the implications of this encounter and what it might mean for both Cheryl and Liam. As discussions continue to evolve, the incident has certainly captured the attention of the entertainment world, highlighting the unpredictable nature of celebrity lives and the passionate reactions of devoted fans.